second, Schwartz, Walter, Waldron. I don't know why I don't like to say it right. We got to change up our cyclocraft rider. He's kind of holding it out. He's got it right there. That's Parker. Parker going for the hat trick. Who we got? Stop. 254 all over this one. We don't have that. 264. That's Loggins. He's got some heat coming on from the 159 of Bronner on the outside. J-Glow holding down the 4 spot. That's got to be Schwartz. Your 305. Cyclocraft all over this one to second place. Can't let up. Third is right there coming at you. Aldrich takes a look over your shoulder. He says he's got a little bit of room. He might coast a little bit. That's the way they're going to go. We're coming into Moto.